Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Oppo A9 smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Oppo A9 smartphone. First, open camera in your phone Oppo A9. Click on camera. Click on video mode. And click here. Select SLOMO. Yes. Now record a video. Start video. I record this video. While recording, it will be like a normal video, but after finishing the video, if you play the video, it will be in slow motion. I close the video and I try to play the video. See here, it's playing in slow motion. Wow, it's very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in Oppo A9 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.